Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 15 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll all the way down, almost all the way, to find more security and privacy. And here scroll down to find credential storage. Tap on it. Here at the bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so remove all user certificates. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. Here we have to confirm everything with our screen lock, of course, if you've got one. And not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.